Welcome back. Now we have some great painting tips for you from our friends at Fusion Paint.
Hi, Marc and Mandy. Today I wanted to show you a really great technique that you can use to save money but get a whole new look in any room of your house. I wanted to share with you this beautiful feature wall that I painted using English Rose by Fusion Mineral Paint. It really changed the whole look and feel, and all I did was one wall, and that's what you consider a feature wall. You can even take it one step further and paint little accents that you have around. I chose Fusion Mineral Paint because it comes in convenient pint sizes. I was able to complete this wall behind me in just one pint and get a whole new look for under $50. Maybe you'll consider doing a feature wall in your home.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.